Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact EPA and DHA milligrams per capsule and the recommended serving on the label. This matters for dose accuracy. Once done, choose to take the first dose with your largest meal of the day because dietary fat increases absorption. Make sure to have a glass of water and a small snack ready so you don't take it on an empty stomach. If you're on medication or pregnant, check with your clinician first before continuing. Safety comes before routine. You build consistency by setting an alarm and linking the supplement to a specific meal each day. Habit makes adherence easy. Once you establish timing, follow label instructions. If it suggests 2 or more capsules, consider splitting them between 2 meals to reduce fishy reflux. Make sure to store bottles in a cool, dark place and refrigerate if the manufacturer recommends it to prevent rancidity. If you experience burping, swallow with fuller bites and stay upright for 15 minutes to minimize aftertaste. You complete the initial course by tracking intake and effects for 2 to 4 weeks, noting any digestive changes or benefits, because adjustments depend on real feedback. Once you assess results, adjust dose, or try an enteric-coated or chilled capsule to reduce fishy aftertaste and reflux. Make sure to replace bottles before they expire and discard any with a rancid smell, as oxidized oil can cause harm. If bleeding risk or new symptoms appear, stop and consult your healthcare provider immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.